This video series documents my personal trading journey, and the content should not be considered investment advice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my video series on my personal trading journey. Today is the second day of this series. How was your performance yesterday? Was it good? I had a fortunate start to my first day of trading. Based on my analysis from the previous video, I chose an uptrend, but with caution around the 1-day, 1D, timeframe resistance level. At the beginning of the trading session, after the price approached the D1 resistance area, it bounced back. The price then dropped to a minor resistance level on the 15-minute, 15M chart within the uptrend. At this point, the price stalled and a green candle appeared. Recognizing this as a good time and a fit for my initial trend analysis, I entered a buy order at the price of 3,387. With a stop loss at 3,377 and a take profit at 3,417. Which aligned with my initial capital management principles. However, after entering the trade, I felt I was a bit rushed. But overall, it was still in line with the trend. The price then rose quite nicely. Although there were some minor corrections, which are normal for the market. After entering the trade, I checked the price 2 or 3 times. Watching the price rise, fall, and then rise again made me feel quite uncomfortable. Constantly monitoring the price after placing an order makes it very difficult to stick to your discipline. When the price goes up and then drops, there's a psychological temptation to close the trade earlier than planned, which can cause you to miss your initial target. When the trade was up by 20 pips, I decided to take my profit. Since it was the first day of my journey, I wanted to have a winning trade, even if it didn't reach my expected 30 pips. Also, as I had analyzed, this was a resistance area on the 1D timeframe, so a 20 pip profit was acceptable. The result was, as you can see, the price broke past 3,417. If I had held the trade as planned, I would have had a perfectly successful trading day. But in any case, yesterday was a great day for me. Blank. Underscore, blank. Now I will analyze the trend for today, August 29, 2025. First, on the 1D timeframe. The price has broken past a resistance area and is now right inside a descending price channel. Above that is a very strong resistance level on the weekly, W, timeframe. So this is a challenging area to trade. On the 4-hour, 4H, 1-hour, 1H, and 15-minute, 15M, timeframes, the trend is still bullish. This is a very difficult area to find a good, low-risk entry point. Furthermore, today is Friday. In my experience, prices on Friday can be very unpredictable and often reverse without following any rules. Currently, I see 2 possible scenarios. 1. The price drops back to the previous resistance area and then bounces back up. 2. The price continues to rise to the next major resistance level and then pulls back. However, to enter a trade, we need to monitor the price's further movements. Since today is Friday, I will look for a trade with a small stop loss, 5 pips. I have often lost money on Fridays, so not making a profit today is not a problem for me. What are your thoughts on the market? Feel free to share your opinions with me. And if you don't have an account yet, Please sign up using the link below. I hope you have a successful trading day. Thanks for watching the video. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.